So now let us discuss polynomial or not polynomial functions. So ngayon mag-identify tayo kung ang isang expressions is polynomial or not a polynomial function. So ito po yung kailangan yung tandaan para mas madali nyong ma-determine kung polynomial or not. Okay, so the decreasing power of x of the polynomial function is said to be in standard form. So masasabi po natin na ang polynomial function is in standard form kapag pababa na yung degree niya. So from highest degree dapat to constant term. Okay po, so ganun lang po mag-identify ng standard form ng polynomial functions. Dapat po pababa yung degree. Okay, so we have rules sa polynomial functions. The variable has no negative exponent. So, pag ito pong mga to nakita nyo sa isang polynomial functions, that is not polynomial. The variable has no fractional exponent. Dapat po yung exponent is whole number. The variable is not inside the radical sign. Wala daw tayo makikitang variable sa loob ng radical sign. The variable is not found at the denominator. So, sabi daw, wala daw tayo makikitang variable sa baba or sa denominator. Kapag ito pong mga to is nakita nyo sa isang polynomial functions, that is not a polynomial. Okay po. Okay, credits to Wow Math. We have first example. Titingnan nyo lang kung may mga rules tayo na nakita dyan. So, dahil wala naman, whole number naman yung exponent, at wala namang radical sign sa loob ng denominator, ay sa loob ng radical sign. Therefore, this is a polynomial function. Okay, so next example. So, first, may nakita na kayong variable sa denominator. So, we can say that this is not a polynomial function. Okay, so next example. 2x plus 3x squared minus x raised to negative 3 plus 5. So, may nakita tayong exponent na negative. And then, ang base pa is variable. So, we can say that this is not a polynomial function. Next, we have f of x is equals to x raised to 1/2 minus x raised to 5 plus 10. So, may nakita tayong exponent na fraction. So, sabi natin, no fractional exponents sa variable. So, therefore, this is not a polynomial function. Okay, so next example, we have 3x raised to square root of 3. So, may nakita tayong exponent na hindi whole number. So, dapat po kasi whole number ang ating exponent. So, we can say that this is not a polynomial function. Next, we have f of x is equals to negative 1 plus 2x plus x raised to 3 over 2. So, may nakita na naman akong exponent na fraction. So, therefore, this is not a polynomial function. Next, we have y is equals to negative 144x. So, wala naman tayong nakitang negative exponent, fractional. Nasa loob ng radical sign yung variable, nasa baba ng denominator yung variable. So, therefore, this is a polynomial function. Next, we have f of x is equals to x squared plus 25 plus 10x all over x plus 1. So, ang variable is nasa denominator. So, sabi natin bawal yon. So, we can say that this is a not polynomial function. Next, we have y is equals to 1 over 6x raised to 4. So, baka mamaya, pag may nakita kayong fraction, not na agad. So, yung fraction dito is the coefficient of the variable lang. Wala namang negative exponent or radical sign sa loob ng variable sa loob ng radical sign. So, therefore, we can say that this is polynomial function. Polynomial function. Next, we have y is equals to square root of 3x. So, baka mamaya pag may nakita kayong radical sign, sabihin nyo na agad not. So, yung nasa loob po ng radical sign is the coefficient of the variable. Hindi naman po variable yun nasa loob. So, therefore, this is a polynomial function.